In a historic first, the Republic of Fiji Military Forces rugby team will take on the British Army rugby team in a highly anticipated curtain raiser ahead of the Flying Fijians versus Scotland Tier 1 Test match scheduled for Friday, 12 July 2025 at the HFC Bank Stadium in Suva. The British Army is bringing a 38-member squad on its Southern Hemisphere tour, which includes fixtures in New Zealand, Fiji and Australia. The team consists of 26 players and 12 coaching and management staff, including 8 Fijian players and 2 Fijian staff members. This fixture marks the British Army senior men's rugby team's first official tour to Fiji, although the teams previously met in the 2015 International Defence Rugby Championship final, where the RFMF claimed a 30-10 victory. In the 2023 during the Defence World Cup in France, the Fiji Army played against the UK Armed Forces team, a match that reignited the competitive rivalry between the two sides. The UK Armed Forces team is a combined side selected from the British Army, Royal Air Force and Royal Navy. For the RFMF, this match is both a sporting challenge and a symbol of continued development. It is more than a game. The fixture reflects the long-standing defence ties and shared values between the two forces. Kick-off for the match is scheduled for 12 p.m. on Friday, 12th July.